So as a coach here at Function Well, I work with a lot of high-performing individuals working in high-stress roles. Due to having to perform at their best in all aspects of their life, they can often leave the regeneration protocols neglected. So one of the tools that I regularly prescribe for my clients, and I use myself, is contrast therapy. That involves using sauna and the ice bath, chopping and changing from hot to cold. Some of mine and my clients' favourite benefits from the contrast therapy are reduced swelling and inflammation, decreased joint stiffness and soreness from training, improved sleep quality, improved mental acuity, and just the feeling of well-being that it gives you. There's a couple of different options when it comes to using the contrast therapy. One of my favourites is a 10 to 20 minute sauna followed by a 5-minute cold bath, and you can repeat that as many times as you feel comfortable, or just once if that's all you have time for. And the other option is a 2 to 3 minute sauna followed by a 5 to 10 minute ice bath, repeated for 3 to 5 rounds. So if you're feeling stressed, burnt out, or just want to relax, definitely take advantage of the contrast therapy in the restoration zone. If you need a hand getting started, come and see one of us coaches.
So the Hypervolt gun and the Hyper Ice massage tools are going to combine the technology of vibration and massage. Collectively, they're going to work to maximize your recovery in your key areas like your quads, your calves, and maybe your tight spots around your hips. So if you're feeling a little bit tired and fatigued, maybe a bit of muscle tension, definitely use these to help maximize your recovery and get you ready to perform again. So with our Hyper Ice and Hypervolt gear, it's going to use massage therapy. So obviously the Hypervolt gun can be used to decrease delayed onset muscle soreness. So these are types of things that we can experience for up to 3 days post-workout. So obviously if you're looking to get back into your training, it can be a good tool to use to help reduce that delayed onset muscle soreness and get you right and ready to go again. So the Hyper Ice massage balls and foam rollers can be a great tool to use to help you get back to your ready state workout. They can be used through areas like your quads, glutes, your calves, and all these areas where you might have a bit of perceived muscle soreness. Recently we've had the addition of the Normatec recovery boots, which are a great addition to your recovery protocol. They're going to use compression to help flush through all this new fresh blood into your legs and get you feeling ready to train again. Collectively, we can use all of these tools to help aid our recovery, to help maximize your performance, to make sure that you're ready to perform at your peak when you need to throughout your workouts.
So one of my favorite elements to the restoration zone is the brain tap. Now the brain tap is scientifically proven to help you balance out your mind and thrive at peak performance. So for me personally, I know when I've struggled with my mental well-being, a lot of that has come from lack of direction and sort of lack of understanding around what I wanted and how to create that, and the brain tap provides guided visualization options for all aspects of your life, from improving your physical health, improving your mindset, improving relationships, finances, all of those areas. So it takes you on a journey so you can start reprogramming what you think through your mind. So for me, it's been an absolute game changer, and all you need to do is jump in there, get the headset from reception, jump in the restoration pod, whack it on for 20 minutes or so, and just zone out and let it do its thing. Another great aspect that I love of the restoration zone is the infrared sauna. Infrared sauna is new, so it's just hanging out by the cold pool, and it's that nice blue little box that you can jump in. Now the benefits of the infrared sauna, it doesn't heat the air up around you like the traditional sauna. It sort of heats you up from the inside out, which is really good for producing sweat and detoxifying the body. Leading studies have shown that sweat caused by conventional saunas is around 95 to 90% water, whereas with the sweat from the infrared, it's around 80 to 85% water. The other 15 to 20% was cholesterol, heavy metals, and some pretty cool benefits there of sweating out those unwanted toxins. So some other benefits of the infrared sauna is obviously detoxification, blood and oxygen circulation, but it's also a great place to sit in and if you want to meditate, going off from sort of the brain tap. It's a place where you can sort of sit and get quiet, and I personally take my headphones in there and put on the Calm app and just head into a nice meditation. So a good way to really maximize your overall mental well-being and recovery is jump in there for anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes and maximize the things that I've talked about, discussed, or otherwise the other elements of contrast therapy, the traditional sauna and the rhomboid, etc. So enjoy, you guys, get in there a few times a week and have fun with it.